excited. Kasi pangarap ko ay kumakasal sa simbahan. Eto na, mangyayari na ngayon.
As long as you two have each other, and as long as you have Christ in your heart, that is already enough.
To my dearest wife, baby, Pepay, to all these life's uncertainties, I promise to be with you, to choose you, and to love you unconditionally.
The original plan na nasa
Lahat naman ay smooth.
Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by.
Nagpunta akong Singapore. Doon kami nagkakilala.
First time ko siya makita, actually na love at first sight ako.
Kumakain kami sa labas. Lalabas kami doon. 1 month kasi ako sa Singapore eh. Tapos nung umuwi siya, niligawan niya ako. Tapos sinagot ko na siya.
I imagine we fell in love on that winter moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face.
Ano ba ang nararamdaman mo ngayon? Excited? Uy! May alak!
With you, will you be forever?
Thank you. Jay! Wow, thank you! Ayun, shade. Hindi talaga yung ano. Mura lang yan.
Manginginom talaga.
Naiyak ako.
Ninang, thank you. Alam ko nasabi ko na sa kanya, pero thank you na ipinakalala mo si Pep.
My love will always stay by you. I'll keep it safe, so don't you worry a thing. I'll tell you I love you more.
Yes, that's the spirit. Love the
Start
energy.
with you.
Mag-isa daw. Hindi ko alam.
Today is the day I promise my never-ending love for you. I love you, my wife. Love, your fogging husband, Mark.
I imagine we fell in love on that winter moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us, you with the waves, the ocean's colors on my heart with your air. So let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me?
That at the end of the day ay masasabi ninyo sa isa't isa na kayo ay maligaya dahil kayo ay sapat na sa isa't isa.
Thank you kay Lord kasi binigay ka niya sa akin. Thank you kasi sinusuportahan mo ko sa lahat ng gusto ko. Binibigay mo yung pangangailangan namin, ng anak mo. Lahat. Hindi mo kami pinagdadamutan. Sorry kasi nasusungitan kita. Pinapangako ko na hindi ka na mag-iisa. Lagi mo akong kasama.
I know that life will be hard at times, but I will focus on the most important things to me, you and our son Joshua.